Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. What are the things which causes low breast milk supply as a breastfeeding mother? So if at all you're breastfeeding mother and you'd like to know why you're getting low breast milk supply, you've tried anything but it's not working, you're in the right place. I'm going to be giving you all the things you have to do and get enough milk. Things that cause low breast milk supply. First of all, stress. If you're stressed, remember the breast comes from it's like a formation from the brain to the breast. So always make sure that you have no stress when you're breastfeeding your baby. Think about your baby, smile about your baby, think about how cute your baby is, and you always smile. Whenever you smile, the more the milk comes. Think about how much you love your baby and get rid of that stress while breastfeeding your baby. In that case, you're going to be having enough milk for your baby. Another thing I'm going to talk about, poor latch. If at all you're doing a poor latch, like breastfeeding your baby while not minding how you can well hold your breast while you cannot hold a good way how you can breast your baby, make sure that you do a good latch. Make sure that your baby, you do a tap and the baby can open the mouth. They can open the mouth wider. In that case, the baby can get enough milk. And I think I'm going to talk about poor breastfeeding position. There are some breastfeeding positions you take and they happen to be making you lose a lot of milk and making you to cause a low flow. So in that case, mind about your sitting positions. Are you sitting in a comfortable zone so that you're going to be having enough milk? I'm going to talk about poor diet, a poor feeding. A poor feeding causes low milk supply. Yeah, make sure that you take things which are going to increase your breast milk supply. Make sure that you take a good diet as a breastfeeding mothers. Don't take caffeine. Don't take caffeine. Caffeine is going to bring headache and sometimes it's going to dry your breast milk supply immediately. If you try caffeine, immediately your breast milk supply is going to be dry. Yeah, even breastfeeding mothers at times they're not allowed to take caffeine. How about you, who is a pregnant mother? How about you who is breastfeeding? Don't take caffeine. Another thing I'm going to talk about, poor dressing codes. So there's some kind of clothes whereby you put a bra and it tightens the breast. In that case, it's going to break some of the tubes on the breast. In that case, the breast milk is not going to be able to come out like the as you expected. Another thing I'm going to talk about breast pain. Oh, any kind of illness. If at all you're having any kind of illness, any kind of sickness, in that case you're going to be having a low breast milk supply. So if you're suffering from anything, please make sure that you treat or you go get medication before you treat your baby, because in that case if you don't do so, the baby is also going to get infected because of this same kind of sickness you're having. Remember, the breast milk you give to the baby comes out with everything that connected to you, that infected you. So if you're having any kind of sickness, make sure that you take medication before you do breastfeed our baby. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.